爱客家
We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin for another Hakka song on ICRT. Her name is Xu Sihui, or Ah Mei, who started learning the piano when she was in 3rd grade, but had to quit because of financial difficulties. It wasn't until she met her husband, who was in the music teaching business, that she started to pick up her proper musical training. But because of that, she also moved to Hualien and made her miss home so much, and came up with this song called Shi Bao Ya, which literally means the night after having dinner.
是大大用树台里爬山的食材麻木大大菜会配有穷下来以后把高水你下公马里穷下掉到夜树旁那的梦就跳心两念落肚你同样扮烂对爱穷又没法度天空万重sẽ này đi theo vụ bọn em trong lao ngay theo đường gió một khai路để tháng hai con sâu lên hóng đến thao trà sẽ bao ya ở đây hát để dâu ha mồ hành chi cha nhẹ còn có sẽ này nhạc mừng được phong đi đốt theo sẽ ha
对一个远嫁花莲的客家音乐人来说啊，写首歌是最能解乡愁的方式之一。而许世慧阿妹就因此写了这首四报鸭十宝叶，来描述当时呢在苗栗她跟阿公阿嬷吃完晚餐的场景哦。我们来继续聆听四报鸭。
你跳晒了一下珠，太你就像给不怕累，跳那么是大大，用树太里爬山的食材麻木大对，才会配有用下来以后把高水。
许世慧阿妹其实从3年级就开始学钢琴了，但碍于家中经济环境无法持续学习，一直到她认识她丈夫，因为是从事乐器教学，才能继续她进修音乐之路。但也因为结婚就住在花莲超过20年了，让她非常思念她苗栗的老家，因此呢就写了这首四报鸭十宝叶。Alright, more Hakka music to come in the future. I am Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.